Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to get creative and turn something you were about to throw away into a stunning piece of home decor? Today, we're going to transform a simple, old bottle into a gorgeous, magical lamp. It's super easy, incredibly fun, and the perfect way to add a personal touch to your space. So, grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. First things first, let's gather our materials. The star of our show is, of course, an old bottle. This can be a plastic soda bottle or a beautiful glass wine bottle, whatever you have lying around. Make sure it's clean and dry, with any labels completely removed. A good soak in warm, soapy water usually does the trick. Next, you'll need some lights. I love using those delicate, battery-operated fairy lights, also known as LED string lights. They give off such a warm, enchanting glow. You'll also want some tools to help you shape and decorate. A pair of sharp scissors or a craft cutter will be handy, especially if you're using a plastic bottle. And for the fun part, the decoration, grab some paint. You can use acrylic paint and brushes for detailed work, or go for a quick, even coat with some spray paint. I'll be using a matte white spray paint today for a really clean, modern look. We'll also need some hot glue or a strong craft glue to add a bit of rustic charm. I've got some jute rope and a few pretty ribbons. And for that extra sparkle, feel free to grab some glitter, beads, or any other small decorative items you love. The possibilities are truly endless, so let your imagination run wild. Okay, let's begin the transformation. If you're using a plastic bottle, you might want to cut it. A common technique is to carefully cut off the bottom. This makes it easy to place over the lights later. For a glass bottle, we'll keep it as is. Safety first. Always be careful when using cutters. Now for the painting. Take your bottle outside or to a well-ventilated area, especially if you're using spray paint. Place it on some newspaper and apply a nice, even coat. You might need 2 coats for full coverage, so be patient and let the first layer dry completely before adding the second. If you're using acrylics, now's the time to paint your designs. You could go for stripes, polka dots, or even a beautiful floral pattern. I'm sticking with my solid white for a chic and simple vibe. Once your paint is completely dry, it's time to add the personality. This is my favorite part. I am going to take my jute rope and start wrapping it around the neck of the bottle. A little dot of hot glue at the start, middle, and end will keep it secure. This instantly adds a cozy, bohemian feel. You can wrap the whole bottle or just parts of it. Next, I'll tie a simple ribbon bow around the neck, right over the jute rope, for a touch of elegance. If you're a fan of glitter, you could apply some glue and sprinkle it on for a dazzling effect. Maybe add a few self-adhesive pearls or beads. This is your creation, so make it reflect your unique style. Now, for the final, magical step, lighting it up. Take your string of fairy lights and carefully feed them into the bottle. If you're using a glass bottle, just guide the string in through the top opening, leaving the battery pack outside and hidden behind the bottle. If you cut the bottom off your plastic bottle, you can coil the lights on the table and simply place your decorated bottle right over them. Now, flip that switch. Look at that beautiful, warm glow shining through. It instantly creates such a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's amazing to think this was just a piece of trash a little while ago. And there you have it. A stunning, custom-made lamp created from a waste bottle. It's a perfect nightlight for your bedroom, a beautiful centerpiece for your dining table, or a unique accent for your living room shelf. This project is not only budget-friendly but also a fantastic way to recycle and reduce waste. I hope you feel inspired to create your own bottle lamp. If you do, I would absolutely love to see it. Share your creations with me on social media. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next creative adventure. See you next time.